Brisbane has quietly become one of Australia's most exciting food capitals. From riverside dining and award-winning wood-fired cooking to authentic Italian cuisines and unforgettable Greek flavors, the city offers incredible restaurants for every budget. Whether you are a first-time visitor or a local searching for your next favorite meal, these restaurants are absolutely worth every dollar. And stay until the end because our final restaurant is considered one of the Australia's greatest live fire dining experiences. Okay, so let's begin. First is Opa Bar and Mezze. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me, the pronunciation is different. Located at Eagle Street, this restaurant brings authentic Greek cuisines to Brisbane's beautiful riverfront. Fresh seafood, grilled meats, and traditional Mediterranean flavors combined with one of city's best waterfront views. One fascinating fact is that Opa has become one of Brisbane's highest rated waterfront restaurants, serving thousands of dinners every month with uninterrupted views of the Brisbane River. Customer favorites include lamb souvlaki, grilled octopus, and seafood mezze platter. If I'm pronouncing these wrong, please forgive me. The average cost per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A travel tip I'll give you: request an outdoor table around sunset. Okay, so let's move on to our next restaurant. It is 1889 Enoteca. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. Charming Italian restaurant is famous for bringing authentic Roman cuisine to Brisbane. Fresh handmade pasta and traditional Italian recipes make it one of the city's favorite dining destinations. Popular dishes include cacio e pepe, lasagna, and tiramisu. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. The average cost per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A visitor tip I'll give you: reserve ahead because dinner tables fill quickly. So let's move on to our next destination. It is LONGTIME dining. LONGTIME dining has become one of Brisbane's most popular destinations for modern Asian cuisine and handcrafted dim sum. Its stylish interior and creative menu make it a favorite among both locals and tourists. Recommended dishes include signature dim sum, Peking duck pancakes, and king prawn dumplings. The average cost per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A local tip I'll give you: visit with friends so you can share more dishes. Okay, so let's move on to our next destination. It is Rothwell's Bar and Grill. Inspired by classic European grill houses, this restaurant serves premium steaks, seafood, and elegant desserts in a beautifully restored heritage building. It's a perfect for special occasions while remaining approachable. Customer favorites include dry-aged ribeye, lobster thermidor, and chocolate souffle. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. The average cost per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A travel tip I'll give you: ask for the chef's steak recommendation of the day. So let's move on to our next and final restaurant. It is Agnes. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. And it has become one of Australia's most famous dining experiences. Every single dish at this restaurant is cooked entirely over fire, creating unforgettable smoky flavors that have earned international recognition. One fascinating fact is that this restaurant has welcomed celebrity chef Nigella Lawson, if I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me, who described it as one of the best dining experiences she has never had in Australia. Don't miss wood-fired wagyu, fire-roasted seafood, and house bread with smoked butter. The average cost per person is displayed on the slide. Prices are shown in US dollars and may change over time and are intended as general dining estimates. A quick tip I'll give you: reservations often book out weeks in advance. So these were the 5 best restaurants in Brisbane worth every dollar. From riverside Greek dining and authentic Italian cuisine to modern Asian flavors and world famous fire cooking, these restaurants showcases why Brisbane has become one of Australia's top food destinations. Which restaurant would you love to visit? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing places to eat and see around the world. Thank you so much for watching.